Welcome back. Let's do question 5b. In the diagram, HIJ is a right angled triangle at I. It means this is a 90-degree angle here. Right? L lies on IJ such that JL is 9 units and LI is 12 units. K lies on HI with KL parallel to HJ. And then HJ is 29 units. We're given that. Determine the length of IK. That's what we're looking for here. So now, how can we find the length of IK? We'll need to find the length of HI first. And then after getting the length of HI, we can then use the proportionality theorem. Okay. Right. How can we find the length of HI? What we're given here, HIJ is a right angled triangle. When you're given a right angled triangle, always think of the Pythagoras theorem. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find what? To find HI. Let's do that. So in triangle HIJ, so we can say the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is the side which is opposite the 90-degree angle. So we're looking at the big triangle HIJ. So 29 here is the hypotenuse. So we can say HJ squared is equal to HI squared plus IJ squared. And then you write your reason, Pythagoras theorem. We want to find HI. So we can start by saying HI squared is equal to HJ squared minus IJ squared. You can do that also, it's still fine. And then you write horizon Pythagoras. So you can start with this, right? So HI squared will be HI squared is equal to 29 squared minus 12 plus 9. 12 plus 9 is 21 minus 21 squared. So we square root both sides, and then we must get that HI is equal to 20 units. Okay, so it means this whole length of HI is 20 units. Right, now we can use our proportionality theorem then. So we can say here IK over IH or HI is equal to IL over IJ. Right, the reason you write line parallel to one side of triangle. IK, that's what we're looking for, IK, and then IH, that's 20, is equal to IL, that is 12, and then IJ, that is 21. And then we can cross multiply here or multiply both sides by 20. So IK is equal to 12 times 20 divided by 21, which is equal to 80 over 7, which is 11,42857143. So to one decimal place, this will be 11,4 units. To two decimal places, it will be 11,43. Okay, right, so one decimal place is 11,4 units. Done.